Yeah, I'm here for one of our normal site inspections. This is going to be a shop house. So we got a beautiful shop here. Half of it's going to be a garage and the other half's going to be a fully equipped house. Let's check it out.
Quality checks with Sam.
One of the awesome ideas we came up with is a dual J-trim / drip edge for our top of our windows and doors. We've got a nice little slit that slits right into the metal. The water can't possibly get inside. We add a little bit of caulking at the edge there to make sure that the edges don't rust or are exposed to water or air. And so far the customers have been loving it, and it's been doing a great job keeping the water out of our buildings. One of the things we like to do is we like to make sure our bottom row screws are not hidden under any transitions. Lots of contractors, they'll put the screws underneath, right? So then we can't get this bottom sheet off. But we always make sure our screws are below for service purposes. We keep those screws low and easy to take out. We try and make sure that any potential service calls in the future are as easy as possible for us. We're not having to struggle or remove J-trim or create more damage and problems than we need to. We can actually easily remove these, and not just those, same with our trims and our other hardware. We design it in a way that we can take it off easy. One of the things I'm checking for is to make sure we got tight seams on all of our overlaps here. The guys are doing a pretty good job here. There's seen a couple that I'm going to make sure they come back and tighten up, but overall they did an excellent job in making sure that all their seams are sealed tight from the elements. I'm really impressed with how tight these guys cut the metal here. It wasn't too tight that it caused it to buckle, but they got their cut very nice and straight. It's got a good bead of silicone in there, and it's held down quite firmly. So I'm not worried about that leaking in the future. That's exactly what I like to see. We like to check to make sure our gable and our wall transition ribs are lining up. They did a really good job of making sure all these ribs are plumb and straight right to the top. You can see that looks like they did start from the center. You can also see that they missed a screw up top on the gable. So I'll put that in my notes, take a photo of that, and make sure that that gets filled in before the guys leave. You can see that this whole row of screws is done pretty well. After we get to the last three here, these last three screws are dimpling the metal quite a bit more than I'd like. So what we'll do is we'll ask them to replace those 3 or 4 screws there just to take those dimples out. It is on the back of the building. Usually not too concerned about that, but I don't want the metal deformed, so we'll get that fixed. I like this detail in here that they did. They had a tough spot here. Drop down beams, so they added a double J at the top, single J at the bottom with black tin at the customer's request. It looks quite nice. I like to check out the attic, make sure we don't have any penetrations coming through. That is obviously one of the most important parts of your building. We don't want it leaking, we don't want any damaged drywall down the road, and we don't have to want to spend money coming back on service calls. So to that end, we check everything. So let's go. There was light coming through on one of our ridge cap overlaps. It just tells me it needs a little bit more silicone, maybe a couple more screws. So I'll add that to my report and we'll send the guys up there to tighten that up. Other than that, it looks like they did a pretty good job installing everything. I had no other light coming through the ridge cap. It means I can count on a tight seal. No water or snow being pushed into by the wind. But overall, this building was awesome. He did a great job, had a really good close attention to detail. For us, it's really important to us to make sure that our buildings are up to quality. I was very happy and impressed with this one, and overall, I don't think the customer will have any dissatisfaction as far as the quality goes.
Quality checks with Sam.